Hey guys, welcome to Len's Garage. It's been a while since I made a video. Today I'm starting a new project. Well, I started already, but the plan is to power my whole house with this EG4, what is it, 12,000 XP inverter. It's an off-grid unit, and this I paid for it with my own money. The plan is to do a city off-grid. Rates in California are becoming ridiculously expensive for my rate right now is about 58 cents a kilowatt. Bills typically around $240 or so. That's just outrageous. So my plan is, which I started already, is I built a 16-foot wide by 20-foot length pergola. And on that pergola, I'm going to go ahead and put the solar panels. I'll have videos of that. And the plan is for the solar panels to feed the inverter. I'm installing a sub panel next to my main panel, moving all my circuits for the house onto that sub panel. The one thing I am going to do is I'm going to go ahead and this has the ability to do grid assist. So essentially, once I get the batteries out here and the house is running, if the batteries get depleted because I didn't have enough solar for the day or so on, then this has the ability to switch over to grid and power my house. And it does it seamlessly. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be running a wire for the grid assist on this. This is a split phase. Each leg has 120, so it's capable of 240. And this will power my house with the washer and dryer, microwave. We even have a 50 amp jacuzzi tub. It doesn't draw 50 amps once it's already heated. So this is also going to be able to charge my wife's plug-in hybrid car. So yeah, that's the next project. It's actually a pretty cool unit. What I did today is I installed a backer board here that to give it some fire resistance. And once I install the conduit and install the batteries, all this is going to come off, and I'm going to make this look really nice. Cut the strut channel and paint this whole area. I'm also going to be adding an additional air purifier in here in the garage because the house is built in 1952, so it's not the greatest. And one of the things I'm going to add is additional ventilation in the garage with a mini split, just to keep this thing cool, even though I don't have to, but I'm going to. So anyway, that's what I wanted to share. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them, and stay tuned for future videos of my progress and when I finally get the system running. Right now, one of the things I'm doing is shopping around for batteries. The plan is to get two 16 kilowatt batteries to install right here. I'm still going to keep my EcoFlows. I can use those in the camper, or even with this unit, it has a generator, inlet that you can wire a generator to it. So technically I can still use those for last resort, which more than likely I won't need them, but just the more the merrier. So yeah, that's it. That's the project.
Here's a few photos of my build of the pergola. I ended up using 6x6 pressure treated post for the main supports for the roof, and it wasn't too bad. It's turning out pretty good. I ended up doing most of the project, actually all of it, by myself. My wife did end up helping me here and there. It's serving dual purpose. It's creating shade and it's creating a nice area for the entertainment area itself, as well as it's going to have the solar panels on top to be able to generate power, and essentially it's going to be an off-grid system, hence the video. I ended up using Henry's Tropic Coat rubber roof coating under the underlayment, and the last few photos are of ChatGPT doing some renderings of the solar panel install. I'll have some more videos to come, and when I start installing the solar panels, including the wiring for the inverter. It doesn't look too bad. I'm pretty pleased with it. It was 3 full weekends of the build. Thank you.